A smart home is one that provides homeowners with comfort, security, and energy efficiency. Cost-effective ways to get a smart home can be as simple as installing smart switches and smart plugs. A smart light switch is often a cheaper and more useful option. A smart switch on the wall can control much more than just lights. This is an example of a smart home light switch. It can be a motion sensor, it can be controlled by your voice, it can be controlled by your phone. Smart switches can control your entertainment system, ceiling fans, and other appliances. They're also more convenient. It's easier to tap a smartphone screen than to get up and turn on the wall switch. Making your home safer, more energy efficient, and more comfortable is easy. It doesn't have to cost a lot of money. If you have questions or would like to learn more, give us a call or visit our website at ahfc.us. Thank you for watching. I'm Scott Waterman with the Alaska Housing Finance Corporation.